Hey there, welcome back to Code Quest Chronicles. Last time we wrote our very first program, remember? Hello World. Well, today we are going one step further. We are turning Python into your very own calculator. So get ready to add, subtract, and multiply your way into coding fun. Ever used a calculator for your homework? Well, guess what? Python can do that too, and it's even more fun. Python can add, subtract, multiply, and divide just like your calculator. Let's do some math magic. Python follows special rules when solving problems, just like in your math class. It's called PEMDAS, parenthesis, exponents, multiply, divide, add, subtract. So remember, Python doesn't go left to right. It follows these rules to get the right answer. Look here. 5 plus 3 into 2 gives us 11, not 16, because it multiplies first. But parenthesis 5 plus 3 into 2, that gives us 16, because the parenthesis comes first. Time to meet our number buddies. This is an integer. It's a whole number like 10, 5, or even minus 2. And this one, it's a float. Not because it floats in air, but because it has a dot like 3.14 or 5.0. Python knows how to use both. Just tell it what number you need. Let's play a quick game. What do you think these will print? Think and then let's see. Alright, time to check your answers. Let's see what Python really prints. 10 minus 7 plus 2 equals 5. Did you get it right? If yes, high five. If not, no worries. You are learning fast. Nice job. You just turned Python into your calculator. Next time, we'll make Python talk to you. You will learn to ask questions and get answers using input. Like the video, hit subscribe and share with your friends. Let's keep learning together on Code Quest Chronicles.